Kings, queens, welcome. It's Nam here again with another video. Today we'll be learning about how to actually train your back. Why most of us plebs have been training our back wrong our whole lives. Because I definitely would. For example, did you know reverse grip pull downs are actually way better for your biceps than your back? However, if you slightly lean back and fix your elbows, you can actually hit your lats more. As I'm going through my workout routine, I'm going to give you a little tips and pointers so you can hit your lats more rather than the pesky biceps. They're always taking the spotlight. Just like that one good looking friend in that friend group. You know who you are. First, with all workout routines, we're going to start off with a quick warm up and we're going to pump some blood into those muscles. For me, any exercises that you can do over 15 reps, I'll call that a warm up. So let's start off with some pull-ups. This exercise is so easy to mess up. If you know, you know. Do you know why male gymnasts have such big biceps? It's because they're on the bar all day doing pull-ups. They're not doing curls in the gymnasium. Let's talk about your grip. For most people, your grip will be the first to give up. So you could either train them or you could use straps. Now that's out of the way. The only way to really target your back is to always use pronated grip. That's with your pinky on the outside. And when you're about to pull up, I want you to stick up your chest, retract your shoulder blades, and Muay Thai elbow the floor. And once your chin is above the bar and on the way down, obviously just don't let loose. Control the eccentric movement and really feel the muscle stretch on the way down. Okay, up next we've got bend over rows. Again, very easy to get wrong. I want you to bend over into the RDL position, right? Slightly bent knees and lean forward as much as you can. I want you to be almost 90 degrees. Your grip, again, I want you to be pronated, pinkies out, and as wide as your elbows at 45-degree angle. One tip I should mention is rather than pulling to your chest, I want you to pull alongside your thighs, you know, like an exotic dancer. Bent over barbell rows, 10 reps or 4. Alright, next we've got one arm dumbbell rows. Alright, this is essentially the same as the bent over rows, but this time you're actually focusing on one lat after another. It's really the same method as the bent over rows, but this way you're really focusing on the peak contraction of the muscle. Because of the dumbbells, you can't really use a pronated grip. So the next best method is to use a grip that is parallel to your body. It's really important to remember to fix your elbows. So if your elbow starts at 90 degrees, I want it to end in 90 degrees. And a little pointer, I want you to imagine sweeping the floor backwards with the dumbbells up to your hips. Right? That's like a rowing motion rather than pulling. Again, 4 sets of 10. Next exercise is the cable rows on the machine. Essentially, same as the bent over rows, but upright. This will target more of your mid-back and lats. Okay, now taking everything we learned from the previous exercises, you should now be a professional. You would always want to keep your elbows in a fixed position. However, for that to happen while sitting down, is you have to hinge at your hips, alright? And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, oh, but that's cheating. Yes, but no. For it to be cheating, in my opinion, is when you're throwing your mass backwards to move the weight rather than use your lats. As you can see, if you actually control the movement, right, and using your hips as a hinge to fix that elbow position, and then you activate your lats more rather than your biceps. You don't want to be working at your biceps on back day. Okay, last exercise to end the day. Same machine, one arm cable pulls. This is the same as the bent over one arm row, however, just hitting a different angle. This is essentially the same, but a little bit different, okay? When you pull up, same as everything else you learned today, fix your elbows, hinge at hips, hinge at the hips as you move forward, and as you pull back, I want you to do a little squeeze on the side. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze it a little bit at the end. Squeeze it at the end. You feel that So you get that last. And that's how you do it. Keep it simple. All the exercise here, 4 sets of 10. Alright, that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you learned something new. If you learned anything new today, give me a thumbs up. Any questions, queries, comment down below, let me know. And subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content from me.